There's a quiet shift happening in the truck world, and if you're paying attention, you can already see where it's going. Turbochargers are everywhere. Cylinder deactivation systems like AFM and displacement on demand have become the norm. Engines that were once simple and bulletproof are now packed with complexity. And while technology has improved efficiency, it's also raised a serious question. What's happening to long-term reliability? That's exactly why a growing number of truck buyers are going back to basics. They want naturally aspirated engines. They want simple V8 power. They want trucks that just work. No lifter failures, no turbo heat stress, no complicated systems waiting to break at 120,000 miles. Here's the reality. These trucks are disappearing. Automakers are chasing fuel economy standards, emissions regulations, and electrification goals. As a result, the golden era of simple, durable trucks is coming to an end. But right now, you still have a window. And if you move smart, you can still get one of the last truly reliable old-school trucks before they're gone. Let's start with a legend. Before its redesign, the Tundra came with the 5.7L I-Force V8, an engine known for one thing above all: durability. No turbos, no cylinder deactivation, no unnecessary complexity. Just a naturally aspirated V8 built to last. This engine wasn't designed to chase trends. It was overbuilt on purpose. Strong internals, simple fuel injection, and proven reliability in harsh conditions. Mechanics respect it because it's predictable. And when you're planning to keep a truck for 10-20 years, predictability matters more than anything. The catch? It's gone. The new Tundra now runs a twin-turbo V6 hybrid. More power, but also more complexity. If you find a clean V8 Tundra, don't hesitate. This is one of the last of its kind. The Titan doesn't get much attention, but that's exactly why it's such a smart buy. Under the hood is a 5.6L naturally aspirated V8. No turbos, no AFM, no gimmicks, just straightforward, reliable power. While other brands downsized and added complexity, Nissan stuck with a proven formula. The result? Smooth power delivery, fewer failure points, and simpler maintenance. From a mechanical standpoint, fewer parts mean fewer problems. No turbo systems means no extra heat, no boost-related stress, and no added complexity. And here's the twist. The Titan is being phased out. Once it's gone, it's gone. Now we move into heavy-duty territory. The Silverado 2500 HD with the 6.6L gas V8 stands out for one key reason. It avoids AFM completely, and that's a big deal. AFM systems have been linked to lifter failures, cam wear, oil consumption issues, and misfires. It's a known weak point. This engine skips all of that. It's naturally aspirated, built with heavy-duty internals, and designed for real work, not squeezing out fuel economy numbers. If you tow, haul, or plan to keep your truck long-term, this setup is far more dependable than smaller turbocharged engines. The Ram 2500 keeps things old school with its 6.4L Hemi V8. No turbos, no aggressive downsizing, just big displacement and consistent power. Yes, it uses a mild cylinder management system, but it's far less problematic than traditional AFM setups. Here's the simple truth. Bigger engines working less hard tend to last longer. A turbocharged V6 has to push harder under pressure to match a large V8. That extra stress adds up over time. The result? The Hemi delivers smooth, predictable power with no lag and no surprises. This is where things get serious. The 7.3L Godzilla V8 is a modern engine built with an old-school mindset, massive displacement, no turbos, no cylinder deactivation, just strength and simplicity. It uses a push-rod design for durability, a cast-iron block, and is built for commercial-grade abuse. Ford designed this engine with one goal: survive extreme conditions for hundreds of thousands of miles. Fleet operators trust it, and that says everything. So why is all this happening? First, emissions regulations. Automakers are under pressure to improve efficiency and reduce fuel consumption. Second, complexity. Modern engines are more advanced, but also harder and more expensive to repair. And third, the trade-off. Efficiency often comes at the cost of long-term durability. That's why experienced truck owners are going back to simpler designs. Because mechanically, it's just common sense. Fewer parts, fewer problems. Here's what most buyers don't realize. These trucks won't be around much longer. V8s are disappearing. Turbo engines are taking over. Electrification is accelerating. And once these simple, reliable trucks are gone, they're not coming back. When that happens, demand will skyrocket. Here's what most buyers don't realize. These trucks won't be around much longer. V8s are disappearing. Turbo engines are taking over. Electrification is accelerating. And once these simple, reliable trucks are gone, they're not coming back. When that happens, demand will skyrocket.